Good day, Sir and Madam. I am Maylin Abela, 34 years old, married, blessed with 2 children, 21 years old and 18 years old. My husband is a fish vendor. My father is a construction worker. My mother is a housewife. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a Catholic and I am a high school graduate. I am from Commonwealth, Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. My hobbies is cooking, cleaning, and dancing. And I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months. September 2019 until November 2021. I have served 3 members of the family and I work as a local helper in the Philippines from March 2016 until March 2019. And I have served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, 9 years old and 7 years old.